I wasn't going to vlog this, but as I was thinking about it, I thought it might be a good idea. I am hosting a tea party this week for my ladies' Bible study group, and I have to get my house ready, so I thought it might be fun to vlog the process of me getting everything ready. I've never done anything like this before. I mean, I feel like I've got a pretty good house for it because my style is just kind of like that shabby chic kind of style, which would be perfect for a tea party. But this is completely out of my element. Where I think I'm going to start, other than having the dishes going and getting all the cookware ready to go, is I'm going to start by cleaning the couches. I've got 2 couches there and here, but I'm going to clean 1 couch today, and then I'll clean 1 couch tomorrow. But the way I was actually told to do this, the best way to clean the couches is to take dishwasher detergent, or not dishwasher detergent, laundry detergent and water, and then just scrub the couches clean. So that's, I think, going to be my starting point. I've got 3 days to get this done, so thinking 1 couch today, 1 couch tomorrow, and then, well, I've got 2 days to get everything cleaned up, and I'm going to have 1 day for decorating and getting everything in order, but I'm looking forward to that. It's been all day, and I got my couches cleaned and my kitchen clean. I was hoping to be farther along than I was, but the good news is the kitchen was the hardest part, and I had to like scrub down all my cabinets. I don't have to do that for the rest of my house, so I'm thinking everything should probably be pretty easy from here on out, but I still have a whole day, and I've still got a couple hours left. I'm gonna keep going at it, but yeah, we've got a ways to go still. Here's some of the teacups. One of the ladies brought them for us to use. I think I'll pull out some more of my china to kind of go with it, but this is kind of where we're at so far. I'm kind of using my table here to get everything out and see how we want to decorate it all. Last is to do the dining room and then the living room and my homeschool space, since it is right in the middle of the living room. So I'm thinking tomorrow I'm going to tackle the living room and the bedrooms and try to at least get the dining room completely ready, with the exception of the table for the rest of tonight. It took all of the last 2 days to get everything ready, and I think we're as good as we are going to get. I got the living rooms, the dining area, and all the big areas picked up. Bedrooms aren't quite there yet, but I completely give up. I've scrubbed every cabinet and wall, and I did my best to get markers and stains off of everything. But yeah, and today I just got done decorating. So a friend of mine came over, we came and decorated, got our table set up. So I'm gonna call it quits and hope for the best tomorrow. How it all turned out. I am so excited. Yeah, everything turned out beautifully. It's been over a week since our tea party, and I realized that I haven't closed out the video yet. It was wonderful. Everyone had a good time. I'm so glad that it turned out. So well. I was surprised that I actually pulled it off. It was something I've never done before. A friend of mine came over and helped me decorate the day before, so she kind of helped me figure out the setup. It wasn't as tight as I thought it was going to be. I was a little bit worried about that, but it was so wonderful. I'm so glad I did it. I would do it again. But yeah, I love the way it turned out. There was a kids area. The kids were able to play and have fun. And yeah, anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.